everyone, it is Andrea, and today I'm coming at you with this week's new releases. All of these releases will be live on the website Wednesday at noon Eastern. So let's go ahead and get into them. We're going to start off with some new foil items first. It very much so mimics the kind of setup of the Halloween spooky foil that we released this year, but the Halloween version. So let's start with the freebies first. Same kind of thing as last season for Halloween. There are 3 different designs and you will be getting a pack of them starting with this order fill. So the pack would include gold, silver, rose, hollow, and sparkly hollow, and it could be in either 3 of this design, and y'all seemed to love those. So there's one that says Merry Christmas on a full box with some snow headers. There's one that has Santa's sleigh and reindeer with a stroke around it with some more scattered snow. And then this one here has ornaments and then some trees on the bottom. So those will be going out with orders while supplies last. And then let's get into the a la carte options for in shop. These are mini icons, kind of like our everyday and food icons. So this one here is the Christmas version. So let me show you it in silver, but it does come in gold, silver, rose, hollow, and sparkly hollow. These are perfectly sized for little things. You could also probably even use them as deco if, if you're being creative, or deco for doodles for the season. It'd be really cute, or icons. So these are very, very multi-use. So those will be available in all 5 foils. We will have these snowflake headers. So these kind of go along with these, but I wasn't going to do all of the different shapes. I thought snow kind of was a little bit more universal. There is stars and confetti mixed in, so you could mix and match these with snow. You can mix and match them with stars and with confetti. So maybe you don't want to use the other pieces, but you just want to use snow. You can use confetti boxes and it'll match perfectly, or any of our past snow bundles I think will be a good match with those. So those will come in all 5 foil colors. Again, we have the 4 full box overlays. You have one that if you buy 2 of them, you can make a double box scene. You have the opposite corners and then the 4 corners. You could also cut this in half this way or this way for a tall or wide box as well. And these have lots of different shapes in them. Again, you have the snowflakes, the stars, and the confetti. So you can mix and match between those collections, or you could go full out and use the snow headers and the bottom washi that I'm about to show you. But I think it would also be cute, let's say you want to do, you could use all of this together. You could use maybe these with, you could do confetti with the trees. You could do the bows with the snow, and you could do confetti, or you could do stars. You could do stars as the header and then do the snow. You could do the confetti star and the trees, and then do confetti of, well, that actually be really cute if you did stars or the bows with the snowflake and the snowflake. Perfect little snowflake spread. So then the bottom washi has the trees on the top, all different shaped Christmas trees. I thought that was cute, something different. And then you have the snow overlay, which would look really pretty on so many different washis. Again, in all 5 foil colors. So those will all be available Wednesday at noon Eastern. The characters for this week, the pop culture ones, we have Elphaba and Glinda. I love me some Wicked, so I knew I wanted to have these done. They are so, so cute. I love them so much. And then for the scribblers for this week, we have little planner friends. So they're holding a little cloud planner and some stickers in the normal 6 options here for the scribblers. And we have the color of the week, which is a really pretty blue. It's very it's not navy. It's a little bit, not brighter than navy, but I guess it'd be more of a vibrant navy. In all 10 normal sheets, there is the buy all option, which is a little discount. I think it's kind of like getting a free sheet. And then let's get into the kits for this week. I also think mystery spots are available Monday. I'm pretty sure. So if you're watching this, I think today mystery spots will be available. So let's go into the kits. Let's do the Hanukkah one first. So cute. I was so excited when Jess said she was going to do a Hanukkah kit. So this is so, so, so pretty. I love the blue and gold together. Let's go through it. So first of all, I love houndstooth. So I love that skirt. You have some florals, lots of Hanukkah elements, which I love, especially the food looks So tasty, gorgeous scene. You have the menorah, you have the fashion options, you have the faux gold sparkle throughout. The foil options, y'all. I think this would look really cute if you wanted to do like a light blue. But personally, for me, what I would do is champagne lights. All the way. You could either just do regular champagne lights. You could do regular gold if you wanted to. You could do gold and champagne lights mixed. That would be everything. I will have a restock of that hopefully within the next month or two. So it would still be before Hanukkah. So if you don't have it, you want to get your hands on it, I will most likely have it before Hanukkah. So love this. You have a slight gradient here. I love the plaid. This is a really, really beautiful plaid. You have this like kind of like flat lay scene situation. And then the freebie in the mini and the ultimate is the different skin tone option for this box here. All of the kits this week come in ultimate and mini. And let me go ahead and show y'all the add-on options because they are quite cute. So you do have the doodle if you want to add on the label, the functional label, and then there is fam options, and I am obsessed with all of this. So cute. So you have fam 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And that is Hanukkah Honey, which is just so adorable. And again, this kit will be stunning with champagne lights. It's going to be beautiful. But also with regular gold would be really pretty too. So you got options. Then let's get into the other kit here, which is very Christmassy. This is called tree decorating. So it's kind of like you go and get your tree. You're setting up your tree. You're getting ready with the ornaments and such. And I picked this colorway. The artist, Elaine, had it in 2 different colorways. And I do have a like Christmas prep. It's not just specifically tree, but it's in more classic colorways. So I went with this one in the pastel because I thought it was a little bit different. And then I think it was just like really cute with the pink. So like these colors are adorable. This one again could go with so many different foils. I personally would probably go silver, hollow, lavender hollow, sparkly hollow, or like a light blue would be really pretty. Or a pink, like rose could be really pretty with this as well, especially against the green. Boxes here. I love everything about this. It is so stinking cute. What foil color would you use this? Because I think also silver would be really pretty with this, like silver snowflakes. Hold on. I had a pattern box here because I think a quote is going to be needed for this one to be really cute. But you have so many boxes in this. There's no fashion people in the main kit. So pattern box it was. But you have the extra scene here, like getting hot cocoa while you're going to get your tree and driving to the tree farm. Very like tree specific, but like some people, that is like the vibe. Like it's a whole event to go get your tree. Me personally, I love my fake tree because it's easy. But I think silver snowflake with this would be beautiful. But also, like I said, I think like hollow, sparkly hollow would be like kind of more of like a like fun vibe. I think that like hollows always pull blue. And since there's like the blue greens in here, I think that's really pretty as well. So that is tree decorating. So many boxes in this kit. So pretty. I love the whole idea. Like I feel like it's a story almost. Like you could kind of line up in your planner like a story. And then it is available in a mini kit, of course. You have the label if you want to add it on. Ombre. Functional. Label 2, which is this really pretty like nude color, like the wood and the boxes and such. The doodle. And then there is 2 different fam options. So you have fam 1 and fam 2. I did this with another kit too, where like when you're getting these, you're getting a selection of different, fashion options. This one has a tall box, this one doesn't, but either way, you're getting a couple of different fashion options versus just one. So love that. That is tree decorating. And last but not least is another Thanksgiving option. Well, last week's was Friendsgiving, but you can get the add-on and it gives it more Thanksgiving vibes. And then this one is very Thanksgiving. And I love the like orangey nude colors. This one would be really, really pretty. Hold on. With copper that came out last week. Let me grab it. This would be so pretty because I think like this orange here isn't one of the colors, but I think that this would bring out the orange. But also I think this one would be really pretty with matte bronze. It'd be really pretty with the matte bronze, matte silver mixed. Also, if you wanted to do silver, gold, I think both of them would work. Or rose could even work as well, I think. It would just bring in more of that like matte kind of look for this. But Love everything about it. Let me give you a close-up. There's also no fashion boxes in the main look here. So you have the candles, which I love. You have the charcuterie board, the recipes, the pie, the like luxe shopping bags with this gorgeous candle. That was a really fun box to put together. The dog, and then I like added the little Scribble and Go Sour Monday sale on there with the wallet. You have your little shopping list, and you can't really see it even like here because it's just so small. But it says like Scribble Prince Co. Once More with Love, Fox and Pip. Like I put a bunch of Planet Hannah, Fantasy Wax Melts. It's really teeny tiny, but you can kind of, if you like think about it really hard, you could see what it says, but just imagine sticker shops. And then you have the really gorgeous house and then a kitty with a bunch of pumpkins. Love these colors. They're so pretty. I love this color with like the addition of that. Again, I feel like copper would be really fun with this. If you do the copper, show me, please. Flat lay, a bunch of food here. I love crescent rolls like more than anything in life. Love the patterns, very like minimal and neutral. And then you have like the little tree decorating. So you have the tree, and then this one is the Christmas lights. And I really like this pattern too. I think it's cute and like minimal. The freebie in both the mini and the ultimate is more boxes. So you have like the living room scene and the kitchen scene. Those would be really pretty for some quotes, but would also be really pretty by themselves. So another kit with a lot of boxes. So that is Thankful, and that'll be in the shop Wednesday at noon Eastern. If you're looking for any of our past collections, like past Halloween, past Christmas, past Hanukkah, past Thanksgiving, you can go to the top. There's a bar that says Shop By, and then there is by season, by holiday. There's an exclusive art button, so if you just want to see all of our exclusive art sets that we have in shop, there's a lot on there. So just in case you never looked, because sometimes I go to people's websites that I've been shopping for years, and I find a new button and I'm like, well, let me shop. So the add-ons, you have the functional, the ombre, the doodle, the fashion. There's a tall one there, super cute, and then a label. So that, my friends, is everything for this week. I hope you like this week's new releases. We're moving into my favorite time of the year, which is Christmas. I love Christmas. I actually had a moment this past week and was like, I only have room for 4 Christmas kits this year. But then Kitnish just so kindly reminded me that I also have a work planner to fill. So that made me re-excited, because for a second I was struggling and I was like, how exactly am I supposed to survive on only 4 Christmas kits? Because we have a lot of things going on. And now I have a special birthday in December. Not that I didn't have 2 special ones before, but I got an extra one. So that, my friends, is everything for this week. These will be live Wednesday at noon Eastern. The color of the week's only available till Monday. And what else was I going to say? And the mystery will be available today at noon Eastern as well, if you wanted to get your hands on next month, which next month is so cute. It's polar opposite to last month. It is an artist that we haven't had in mystery. Have we actually ever used her in mystery? Like actual subscription mystery? I don't remember. Y'all are going to be excited though. It's real cute. And it's going to be a good one. I think they're all really good ones though. Like this year has been, I think every year I say this year is my favorite year, but like this year is just so good, especially in the new format. Yes, everything. So hope you like this video, and I'll talk to y'all in my next one. Bye.